I'ma get money, honey's at. Right here, where my iced out at. Right here, where my go getting at. Right here, where my silver spoon women at. Right here, you the girl, let that know. You rent through, girl, let that know. Enjoy yourself, let that know.
Hey guys, how you guys doing today? It's a real girl, Trez. My name is Bull, aka Bully. Hey. So today I did this install. Well, every time I get a new wig, I gotta drop the gems on you because this junk is popping. I had a little trouble throughout the video, but it's popping. Her name is Camille by Bobbi. It's a glueless wig, but of course I glued my junk down, but you can wear it glueless. It is pretty tight, so you can wear it glueless. It's a 13x4. It's a 360 lace. It came with baby hairs. It came pre-plucked. You could have got away with the factory plucking, but you know I'm extra, so I had to pluck it a little bit more. In the color 1B, and yeah, I got this off of this is she is cute. She is cute. Let me turn around for you. Trace. She cute. I don't know if y'all can see that because it's black on black on black. Period. She real cute. She's soft. Nah, she does get a little tangled because you know you'll see in the video I caught a little tangles and snags because you know I'm trying to put it in the ponytail and I'm separating it. But as you can see, she came back to life with mousse. Everybody kept asking me what I was putting on my wig. I use olive oil, foam, wrap lotion. You can use any foam, to be honest, as long as it's not the one that makes your hair hard, because it is synthetic and you don't want it to like stiff up too bad because it's already synthetic and it already gets stiff and you don't want it to be more stiff. Yeah. These people in this house is so disrespectful. I done recorded this 17 times, y'all. 17 times. So when my intro is like, it's because of them. I'm over it. So y'all, let's just get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and that's that. Period. How you guys doing today? Trace. I was really all over the place in this video. I know I keep saying that, but it might not look like it, but to me I am. I really did not feel like doing my hair, but I made it do what it do. So I'm just doing all the stuff I usually do. You know, everything very self-explanatory. But yeah, y'all, excuse my nails. My nail appointment not until Wednesday. Oh, and I'm sorry about missing last week Friday. My hair wasn't done. Like, I didn't feel like doing it. I was being so lazy, and my nails wasn't done. So it's just like, ugh. Like, I wasn't going to film today, but I can't go to my nail appointment with them wretched ass braids in my head, so I had to put on a wig. At this point, y'all, I was struggling to put on my wig. First of all, the cap is so small. And then the glue was not sticking. I was going through it, y'all. But trust, I made it work. I was so stressed. My wig wasn't sticking. So you know what I did? I took it off and started over. It's life. It's okay to mess up. It's okay to start over. It's okay. I'm not even like sad or depressed, but you know how sometimes you just don't feel like it? That's me. Well, no, this morning I was well ready, energized, ready to do my video. And then my batteries wasn't even charged for my camera. I was so sick. Like, I was so upset. Like, I'm like, wow. Done did my makeup, about to film. Next thing you know, my camera dead. What? I'm just cutting my baby hairs down. Today I was going to attempt to try the exotic baby hairs, you know, with all the swoops and da 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 da. It was not working out. Like, I don't know, like I couldn't get it to swirl and curl and twirl. I couldn't do all that, honey. So I had to stick with the regular swoops. Swoop it up. Okay, until I learn how to do the twisting curls or whatever. Maybe I need to do what them people be doing and get me a little flat iron and curl my baby hairs before I slick them. Maybe that'll help. I'm not sure. But honestly, y'all, I'm going to get better and better and better. I only been doing my hair since, what? I started doing my hair in 2019. Yeah, so I only can get better and better. I'm not a pro, but you know, I make it do what it do. Trash. Y'all, lately I haven't been wanting to get out the bed. I haven't really cared about my appearance. I haven't really given a fuck about anything. But maybe I'm really just being dramatic because I only went 2 days without looking cute. I don't know. Like, I feel like it was a long ass time. But I don't know. I feel like sometimes it's okay to be lazy. It's okay to not want to get out of bed. And I hate, like, when some people make me feel bad for not wanting to leave the house or not wanting to leave my room. Like, sometimes I just don't want to see the world. And I feel like that's okay. Like, only time I really leave the house is when I'm dropping packages off, dropping my orders off, or delivering people toys. Like, I haven't really been going out. I haven't been feeling anything. After 10 years. What? What? Oh, I like it to the side. So cute. But we ain't gonna be born today. Like, I'm tired of seeing the same people. I'm tired of seeing the same stuff. Like, I want to venture out. I wish I had travel friends so I could do more stuff. But sadly, I do not have travel friends. I don't even feel the same way I used to when I used to party. Maybe because I haven't been around the right people, or like, I'm not gonna say every time I go out, but every time I hang around certain people, I don't be myself. Like, I don't turn up how I used to turn up. But then when I'm around certain friends, I get that me back. I get that Tashana back. I get the lit me back. So I'm just really focused on my business. I'm really trying to get my business off the ground because this is what I want to do for a living, is sell toys. Hello? Don't want to work for nobody. I do YouTube right now. Hopefully one day I'll get paid from YouTube. And I also do makeup. So hit me up. Ponytail is not coming out right, so I'm going to do it off camera. I'm trying to show y'all the whole style. I don't know how people just do this on camera. I'm going to ponytail. So I will just come back and do it off camera. Alright, y'all. After 10 years of trying to get this junk in the ponytail, it finally looks decent. It's not bad, but yeah, I'm talking about the ponytail, not the lace. The lace is on point. It's on point. We done. That's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching. It was really hard to get it into this ponytail the way I wanted it, because like, I got a I got OCD, so like when the lumps and bumps come, I get like real. It makes my skin crawl. Added this little scrunchie to my ponytail. Yes, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Trace, it's a real girl.